Molu's Doru. Oh my god, nowadays I am becoming vegetarian. Not at all by my choice, but my compulsion. I heard from an official, chicken is not available at Ranchi for last few days due to something they are calling as bird flu. Oh god, these humans! I wish I could go to Kanyakumari, keeping silence and meditate for some time. But I am so sure my mama will never allow me to do so. In the beginning days, they were so anxious regarding my diet because I am a fatty eater. Little bit pampered. Same food always. Never, never and never. That poor me. No chiku. I'm allergic to mutton. My vegetarian diet these days are, in breakfast I'm taking cottage cheese and chiku biscuits. For lunch, the only vegetable I ever ate, that is fish biryani or curd rice. Yuck. In dinner, pedigree gravy or kibble and little bit of paneer pieces. I don't know how many days I have to sacrifice, but I don't have a choice. Otherwise, my parents will be so sad. That I don't like. Buddies, what you all are eating?
Why bird flu every year? What is our role to control? Wait for the next video.